Hello, my little friends. Welcome to my new channel. This channel is particularly designed for my little friends who are interested in drawing. So, today I would like to show you a method for drawing a bird easily. For that, I have drawn a small circle like this, and after that, from 1/4 of the circle, you have to draw a line perpendicular to the bottom of the page, then a cross line from the 1/4 of the line, then a greater than sign as a beak. Then after that, you have from the bottom you have to draw a line curve touching the cross line and going to the bottom. Similarly, you have to draw on the right hand side also a curve line like this, and you have to join the two lines like this. Then you have to draw the tail like this. So, my little friends, if you watch the video till the end, you can know how to draw a bird easily. If you have found this video helpful, please do follow me and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm thanking you for watching this video.